Hello. Hello guys, this is Joy working for Shandong Dajin Geosynthetics. Welcome to my live show. This is Joy working for Shandong Dajin Geosynthetics. Dajin Geosynthetics is a leading manufacturer of geomembranes, geotextiles, geogrid, geocells, and geosynthetic. We supply different kinds of geosynthetic materials for your projects. If you have any related projects, please feel free to ask. You could send us messages or leave your email and contact number. We'll respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, now I'm going to introduce our materials for you. This one is HDPE geomembrane. HDPE geomembrane is our main product of Dajin Geosynthetic. HDPE geomembrane means high-density polyethylene geomembranes. HDPE geomembrane is anti-seepage, UV resistant, long service life, high resistance to high temperature and low temperature, high tensile strength, long service stability, chemical stability, ethic. It has many advantages in the project application. The main color of HDP geomembrane is black color. Dajin Geosynthetics supplies HDP geomembrane with over 20 years experience. We supply the HDP geomembrane with ASTM GM13 standard, which is a high quality standard in the industry. We could custom the production according to your requests, like from 0.5 to 3 mm different thickness. We can custom the thickness according to your requests. For example, if you are requiring 1 mm or 1.2 mm or 1.5 mm, please leave us your project details. Then we can help you calculate the total quantity you need, and then we can move forward. The thickness of HDP geomembrane from 0.5 to 3 mm. 0.5 to 3 mm. Most regular thickness for the moment are 0.5, 0.75. 0.5 and 0.75 mm are most popular used in aquaculture industry for fish farming and shrimp farming. And other thickness like 1 mm thickness, 1.5 mm thickness, 2 mm thickness, 2.5 mm thickness, 3 mm thickness. 1 mm and 1.5 mm thickness are popular for agriculture industry, like reservoir, artificial reservoir, farm irrigation pond, water pond to collect rainwater or other water attic. 1 mm and 1.5 mm. Let me show you the difference. It may not so clear from this video. This one on the bottom one is 0.5 mm. This is 0.5 mm. And this one on the top, this is 1 mm. This one is 1 mm. This is the thickness difference. So to choose which thickness is good for your project, we need to know more about your project first. We need to know your application first. Then we could recommend better. The thickness difference is measured from this side. We have the testing machine to test the different thickness of HDP liners and different pump liners. No matter 0.5 mm or 1 mm, we are all doing the production with 100% virgin resins imported from Saudi Arab countries. 100% virgin resins guarantee our clients a higher quality standard of HDP liners. HDP geomembrane, also called pond liners or HDP liners or dam liner in some country. Dam liner. Okay, for the measurements, we measure these geomembrane from the thickness, also the roll size, different roll size. The regular roll size of HDP liner for the moment, we are doing 5.8 by 100 meters, 7 by 100 meters, or 8 by 100 meters, or 7.5 by 100 meters. There are different roll size, but for the roll width, we can do from 1 to 8 meters. Roll length, we can do from 50 to 200 meters upon your request. Thickness, we can do from 0.5 mm to 3 mm. These are different thickness and different roll size. Then, about the color. Black color is the main color of HDP geomembrane. Black color. You can see behind me on about our samples. All the samples are main black colors. Black color samples. But the color of HDP geomembrane, there are other colors also available, like the green color. The green color. Also, we can do white color, transparent white color. Also, we can do blue color. Blue color is also very special color for us. Green color. This one is green color. This one is the black color. We can custom the color for you as long as you can reach our MOQ for special colors. For the black color geomembrane, our MOQ is 3,000 square meters, okay. So if you have small orders, we could make the production with other orders together. But for the special colors like green, blue, or white, we might need about around 20 tons or 30 tons at least for the production. This special color need custom production. Special color will need custom production, and also special color will require higher MOQ quantity. Higher MOQ, like 20 tons or 30 tons or 40 tons ethic. Because we also need to custom the materials first. If you have special color requirements, please feel free to contact us early. Thank you. This is also HDP geomembrane. This one is also HDP geomembrane. So, what's the difference between the two? What's the difference between the two surfaces? You can see one side is smooth surface. One side is smooth surface. And one side is textured surface. Textured. It is textured surface. This is also a special kind of textured geomembrane. We will need custom production for this kind of surface. The special surface textured surface will require higher MOQ too. So our regular products are this. This one is also textured surface of the geomembrane. You can see these two differences. These are two different kinds of textured surface. These are two different kinds of textured surface. For this one is one side smooth surface and one side textured surface. For the textured surface, the surface is required for the special project design. It's special designed by the project. So if you have any special requests about these special products, please leave us your messages and project details. We'll contact you as soon as possible. That is about the geomembrane, HDP geomembrane product introduction. And now next is the geotextile. This one is non-woven geotextile. This non-woven geotextile can do different materials, polyester material and polyethylene, polypropylene, PP material. We can do PET and PP, two different materials. This is called non-woven geotextile. We also have another kind of geotextile called woven geotextile. I will show you later. This one is non-woven geotextile. The main color of non-woven geotextile is white color. We can also do black color, green color. So if you need special color, please tell us ahead, then we'll discuss the details. The non-woven geotextile, we can do different specs, the weight from 100 GSM to 800 GSM, from 100 GSM to 800 GSM. For the roll size, we can do from roll width, we can do from 1 meters to 6 meters, and the roll length, no limits. We can do 50 meters, 100 meters, 200 meters, or 300 meters, no limits. From roll width from 1 to 6 meters, we can do 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, or 6 meters, no problem. We can do according to your project request. So you could tell us which roll width is suitable for your project. We can custom the production for you, no problem. Please leave your email. Please leave your contact number and email and your project details to us. Then we could contact you as soon as possible. Thank you. This is non-woven geotextile. The non-woven geotextile is high tensile strength too. It plays an important role on the filtration and soil reinforcement, wall reinforcement ethic. So it is widely used in bridge construction, road construction, building construction, bridge, airport, railway, highway construction ethic. Also because it is low cost, very low cost and very easy installation. So it is very popular in the market. We have different packages for the non-woven geotextile, like the PP woven bags or plastic bags or sealed bags. You could tell us your market requirements. We could custom the package for you too, and also put the label for you. Dajin Geosynthetics is ISO certificate manufacturer for geosynthetic materials. So we are professional doing this and producing this material. This one is the woven geotextile. This one is woven geotextile. So you can see the difference. This one is non-woven geotextile, while this one is woven geotextile. Both of these geotextiles are widely used for road construction, airport, highway, railway, channels, attic. From this way, you can see the difference for different weight of the geotextile. Different weight of the geotextile, of the nonwoven geotextile. It appears on the thickness. Apparently, this one is low weight. This one is high weight. We can do from 100 GSM to 800 GSM. But for the woven geotextile, we don't only measure the geotextile by the weight. We measure the woven geotextile not only by the weight, we by the tensile strength. The tensile strength we can do from 20 to 20, 30 to 30, or 40 to 40. Also, we have 100 to 50, 100 to 100, or 200 to 200, 300 to 50 attic. There are different thickness, there are different tensile strengths of this woven geotextile. So if you want to buy this woven geotextile, please tell us your technical requirements first. The regular roll size for the woven geotextile, roll width, we can do 3.5 meters or 5.2 meters. For the roll length, we can do 100 meters, 200 meters, 500 meters attic. Also upon your project request. The main color of the woven geotextile is black and white. Black color and white color. This one. This one is the geo grade. This one is the geo grade PP. PP geo grade. Double directions. For the PP geo grade, we have 20 to 20 tensile strength, 30 to 30, 40 to 40, 50 to 50 attic. We have different thickness. We have different tensile strengths for two directions of the PP geo grade. The roll size of the PP geo grade is 3.95 by 50 meters or 4 by 50 meters. This is widely used for slope protection and road construction for the soil reinforcement and reinforcement. This is the PP geo grade. We could send you samples. We could send you samples for free for you to check the quality. We could send the samples to you. Next is the geogrid. Oh, sorry, this one is geocell. Geocell. HTTP geocell. It is like this. PE geocell. This one, as you can see, it is textured surface. Textured surface. Textured surface. This one is widely used for slope protection too. Highway construction. This one has many specs to follow. First is the thickness. The thickness of this geocell 1 mm, 2 mm, 1.5 mm, 2.5 mm attic, like the HDP liner, the thickness. Secondly, the height of the geocell. We can do from 50 mm, 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm, 250 mm, 300 mm, 350 mm, 400 mm attic. Different height. And then the welding space. The welding distance. Welding distance is this length. This side length. This one is smooth surface of the geocell. Textured surface of geocell and smooth surface of the geocell. You can see these two are different welding space, different welding distance. Different surface. So for this geocell, if you need this product, please tell us your project details first about the slope angle and the slope situation attic, the land situation attic. We need all the details. Then we could recommend which specs for you. There are too many different specs of the geocell. Also, you can see this one. There are three different specs of the geocell. This one is with holes. With holes. This one is smooth surface. This one is textured surface. All different welding space. All different welding space. So this product is a little special. We need to know your project details first. Then we could recommend. So for now, Dajin Geosynthetics supplies different materials of the geosynthetic industry, like the geomembrane, HDP geomembrane, and LLDPE geomembrane. HDP geomembrane, LDP geomembrane, and geotextile, non-woven geotextile, and woven geotextile. Also geograde, geocells, and GCL attic. If you have any related projects like landfill, fish pond, mining plant, salt pond, artificial reservoir, shrimp pond, and other water pond, wastewater pond, waste filament, waste treatment attic. Please let us know freely, and please send us your project details so we could recommend our better materials for you. Thanks for your watching. Thanks for your time again. I will see you later. Bye bye.